Year 5 students, and welcome to your virtual taster lesson in English. Today we are looking at creative writing and A to Z stories. This is slightly unusual as normally we would be doing something interactive like drama or making Shakespearean masks. However, we are hoping you will still enjoy this with whoever you have around you. Plus, there are a few prizes involved. Please feel free to pause this video lesson when needed. Now, to start with, let's see what you can do. Write down 4 sentences centering around what you have done today. Let's look at this example. I woke up at 8 and had some pancakes. They were delicious and I had them with strawberries and syrup. Then I went out on a bike ride with my family. Afterwards, I made a little snack and watched my favourite cartoons. So, this sounds like a fun morning. However, it is quite boring in terms of how it is written. Why is it boring, and how do you think it could be improved? Whilst thinking about what makes a good sentence starter, what is an adverb? So an adverb describes a verb. They explain how, where, when, or how often something is done. Have a little competition with your family or by yourself and see how many adverbs you can memorise from the list. You might try the first time and only remember 5. You might try the second time and remember 7. Let's see how many you can remember. In addition to adverbs, what is a present participle? Now this may sound intense or scary, but it is actually quite simple. It is a verb that ends in ing. We use them to describe doing 2 things simultaneously, which means at the same time. Take a look at these examples. So instead of saying, she sensed danger and ran for the door, we could say, sensing danger, she ran for the door. Here is a task for you to try. Transform the sentences below so that they start with an adverb or present participle. It doesn't matter if you have to change the order of the sentence, just try to make them more exciting. Pause this video now and jot these down. Okay, ambitious vocabulary. At Knole, we love students to use fancy words and show off their vocabulary. What we would like you to do is choose 5 numbers between 1 and 40. So for example, 4, 12, 28, 32 and 37. Make sure you write them down. You can choose whichever numbers you like. Once you have done that, you then need to match the word to the number. So mine would be ambition, commit, mischievous, pointless and tremendous. If you don't know what your word might mean, make sure you use a dictionary or Google to find out. This will help you with the next cheeky challenge. So here is your final creative writing task. We would like you to choose just one of the following tasks to complete. They shouldn't really be longer than a side of A4, but it depends how much of a writer you are. If you want to, you could get your family involved to make it even more entertaining. If you are super duper proud of your work, then you could send it in to us. We would love to see it. And you can do this through post or email, but make sure you address it to the English department. Take a look at the prizes here. Okay, number 1. Describe walking around a spooky house without using the words and, but, so, or then. This is really difficult, but it's a really good way to make your writing more interesting. Remember to use your 5 ambitious words and some adverbs and present participles if you can. Or you could choose number 2. Write a short story using only 50 words, so no more or no less. This is really challenging, but again, it helps you to choose your words wisely and carefully. Remember, you have to try to get those 5 key words in whilst thinking about adverbs and present participles. And finally, number 3. Describe landing on a desert island, but each sentence should start with a different letter of the alphabet. This is a great way to vary your sentence starters, and it's my personal favourite. So, if you're struggling to think how this might work, have a look at the example. A. Golden beach lay all around. Birds flew high above my head. Coconuts littered the ground beneath the line of swaying trees. Again, don't forget to use your 5 ambitious words and adverbs or present participles if you can. Look at that lovely desert island. Now, we know this isn't what you expected your taste today to be like, and hopefully we will meet you soon when it is safe to do so. We cannot wait to meet you properly, and we look forward to seeing your creative challenges. A big well done from us, the Knole English department, and now it's time to happy dance. Thank you, see you soon.